All right, and there we go. There is the Power Tool Workbench. It has been months of work to get to this point, but I am incredibly happy with how it's turned out. If you want to build something like this yourself, there is plans available to it. Link is in the description to those, to the download. I'm also going to do a follow-up video after this talking through the different features of the bench. So if you're not quite sure on how this thing works and the different features of it, but you can't be asked to watch the entire series, then have a look at that video and you can make a judgment if you want to build one of these yourself. But for now, thank you very much for watching this video and this series. If you are one of those really committed people, don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.